Hi everyone, Deb here. So I'm planning ahead for the week of the October 16th through the 22nd. I've already put down some washi. I had these acorns from Scotch brand and these pumpkins. So last week I did like sort of blue and green theme, and this week I'm going to raise you up a little bit more. I'm doing sort of orange and yellow and red themes. So I pulled out these like orange, a peach, and a red Papermate marker and these washies. These have all those colors plus more in the leaves. I have this one that's just like an orange, and I also had this glitter one. I think that was a Stampin' Up one with a green and a purple, or a purple and a black for Halloween. I don't know, but I just put them all over this page mostly, and some pumpkins down here. Actually, I want to put some leaves up at the top up here. And when I was sick the week ending the 8th, I think it was, I did the meal plan dinners for 2 weeks in advance, and this is the second week of that. Oops, I have a little hair there. And I'm not very good at cutting these, which is why I wanted to do the washi most. See, it doesn't all tear very good for me, and it gets all uneven and stuff like that. That one's not too bad. I left the 2023 open because it goes with the October over here. And I didn't put anything up here. I might, because I decided I'm going to, after I write things in, I'm going to use these rub-on transfers because I have them, and why not? I don't always have to use Happy Planner books, even though I have a bunch of them. So I'm using this same star sheet as I did last time. I'm using oranges and yellows. So I'm at this point, um, I guess I should put one up there. Let's see. Well, my brother's birthday's on the 15th, but like I mentioned in last week's, I'm actually taking him to breakfast at a smorgasbord, Shady Maple Smorgasbord, for his birthday. They're not open on Sunday, and he gets a free breakfast for his birthday if we go on the Monday after his Sunday birthday. So that's what we're doing. And then they also have a store, like a grocery store, farm market, and I'm going to take him there and get him whatever he needs because he's always seems to be a little short on cash. So I'm going to put a little star there too. I put a cupcake there even though his birthday's on the previous day, and I put celebrate, and I'm not going to put anything else that day because I know when I get home from there it's about an hour. Well, he lives about 40 minutes from me, and the place is about an hour away from me, about 15 minutes from his house. So but by the time I take him there, we eat, we go to the store, I drop him back off at home and help him take stuff in, and then come home. I'm going to be exhausted. I just know I am. So there's nothing else being planned for that day. So I might put another sticker there. This morning, which is, I'm actually doing two weeks of planning with me at the same time. And this morning, when I'm doing this, it is Saturday, October 7th. I had two little birds screaming at me, like, because my bird feeder's empty. And they were two sitting there. I was in the kitchen. I could hear them all the way across the living room. And they were yelling, like, where's our food? You know, I feel bad. Anyway, I digress again. So I'm going to go ahead and write in on this Tuesday. I do my live stream in the month of October only. Um, and this will be a fall one again. So it's appropriate that I have fall items decorating here, right? And that's on Deb Houck's Crafty Cottage DHCC YouTube channel, this channel. Then my collab, jewelry making fun collab, that's actually on Dahlia Designs channel, so I'll put DD. And on Friday I have Crack the Vault. I don't know which one I just used, maybe, I don't know. That is hosted by Poet Spice here on YouTube, and that's 10 a.m. the third Friday of every month for this year, throughout this year. And that's on this channel, DHCC. Oh, I used the same one. Oops. I don't think I have any other videos due up. Let me just go back to my monthly and double check. This is the 16th through the YouTube Live, jewelry making fun. Okay. Oh, okay. Crack the vault. Okay. No, I don't. I do have to take my cat to the vet. So I put in doctor appointment, but it's actually, oh, I forgot to check what time that was. I think I had to change it. It's 11:30. And I put it in late morning because I was hoping my son might have to get up half an hour early and help me get her, or 45 minutes early, help me get her in her crate. She is nearly impossible to get in her crate. And it's just for her annual checkup. It was supposed to be on the 16th, but I forgot about Dave's birthday, and if we're going to go, it has to be on that Monday. So, yeah, okay. I like their breakfast. They have lunch and dinner buffets too, but dinner gets to be too late for me, and it's more expensive. For him, it would be free, but I actually prefer the breakfast, and then I have the whole day. I usually, if I go with a friend, I usually go thrift shopping and stuff like that up in that area. It's sort of Amish country, or it used to be, and Mennonite country. Also up that way, I shouldn't say it that way, but there's a lot of, the population is heavy with Amish and Mennonites in that area, and they always have good food and produce stands and stuff like that. And there's some thrift shops up there, and it's a lot of fun to go shop and stuff up in that area. Anyway, let's try these rub-ons and see how they do. I've used them before. One sec, I open them. Sometimes they come with a stick in them to do this, but I have a bone folder here, so let's just try and use that. And I think I want to put, I'm going to leave the looking ahead open like I usually do. I'm going to put the fall maybe right in here. So how you do this is just cut around the ones you want, leaving the backing on for now. And I'll take that little leaf off because I might use that somewhere else. Leave them out too. And then you peel off the backing so it's sort of sticky on the back. And you put it down. And then you rub. That's why they're called rub-ons. And you keep rubbing pretty hard and consistently. Kind of make sure. It used to be you could sort of see. I just can't see anymore. That they're getting, that they're coming off. Okay, let's see if we pull it up a little bit. Yeah, oopsie, I missed some of that one. And you can see there that it's darker right there. So I'm going to rub them a little harder and then try that again. And let's do the word really good. Alright, let's try it again and see if it comes up this time without pulling the color up. There's still a little tip there that wants to... There we go. I think This is why I don't use them very often, because this is kind of a pain, but also I have them, so I need to use them. And this is just my planner. It's just for me, so it's not really super critical, you know. But I still would like it to be mostly complete. There we go. I only missed one little tip of a leaf somewhere. There, pretty, right? So now I have a little leaf I can put. I'll put that over here. Like maybe I'll just put it right here. All right, let's do a couple more of these, and then I'll let you go. I could just put that long one. You know what? I'm going to write lunches over here, but let's put this one down here. Hello Autumn should have been in September, as I learned that autumn started, you know, September 23rd. And thank you, Kelly, for telling me that, because I totally didn't realize that for some reason. I thought it was this month, or yeah, I don't know why I didn't realize that. I'm usually pretty good about that. Because I also have a kitchen calendar. I don't think it actually told me that, though, which is probably why I was lost. Anyway, you know, calendars used to have that on them, first day of fall, but I guess that doesn't really mean anything to a lot of people who don't have fall on the same, you know, other people, well, other parts of the world would be different, right? There, isn't that pretty? I'm kind of liking these. All right, let's just put that big one up there. I'm not going to do those colorful boxes, the long ones, because I don't think I'm going to actually write in them. And I'm going to use that little bird somewhere. Let's just put this maybe in here. Should I put it up? No, I think I like it midway. Hope you're all having a good week, and that you had a good week last week by the time you, oops, I left a leaf in there. That's fine. I probably should have cut that out and put it up here or something. Oh well, it's all good. Oops. All right, guys, I'm not going to make you sit here and watch. Well, I'm not making you anyway, but you have choices. But I'll come back and show you the finished week. Okay, see you soon. Okay, everyone, here is my finished layout for the week of the 16th through the 22nd. I used up all the rub-on transfers, which were Crafter Square, which is Dollar Tree, by the way. And I had them for a while, so I don't know when I got them exactly. But they usually have them in with the stickers and stuff. They do feel a little sticky-ish. I have a embossing powder tool. I might just go over them a little bit with that. Some of them do, like the bigger ones. Anyway, I think it came out really pretty. Let me know what you think with the washi tape, the transfers. I did put some of these colorful boxes in from the Colorful Boxes sticker book by Me and My Big Ideas, which I don't know if they're in existence anymore. That was the Happy Planner company, but I heard they sold anyway. And I put, because I needed to put my to-dos in, which is make jewelry for the 18th collab on the 17th. That's cutting it close. Make items for the Crack the Vault collab and do the videos for them. That's on the 20th. You know, I had to make stuff. That's 2 days ahead of time, because I know on Thursday with the vet visit, and I want to get my hair cut that day if possible also. That takes care of that. And then on Friday, I want to price jewelry, take pics, and put some listings out on Etsy. If I don't get that all done, it'll overflow to Saturday. I left Saturday open, and other than plan with me for the following week on Sunday, I left that open as well, because sometimes you just need a break, you know. The meals for this week I had already filled in for dinners. Monday's going to be leftovers because the previous week I had like dinners Saturday and Sunday that both will probably produce leftovers. So we're going to do leftover night Monday, presumably. This is all subject to change. And then something, this I had gone through my freezers and my stock of stuff. Something I haven't made in a while is peanut butter pork chops. It was a recipe I had gotten years ago. It was a Annette Funicello. She's past, I believe now, so a few years back. Anyway, with long grain rice and zucchini or carrots. Wednesday, leftovers or a large salad, depending on whether we have leftover pork chops. We may not, because sometimes I don't make a lot of extras. Then Thursday, I have riced cauliflower, and I think I'll do a riced cauliflower and veggie stir fry. Maybe I'll throw in some canned meat. I don't know yet. Friday, hamburgers and chips. Saturday, chicken stuffed with broccoli, 2 each. And we don't usually have another side with that because it's got broccoli in it and cheese usually. And I think I have 4 of those left in the freezer. And I was going to buy more of them but at BJ's, but they're out of stock. And then ravioli. Now this is the only one I don't have ravioli here, but it's on my shopping list for the prior week. So if I can get it, ravioli and meatballs, and again salad or maybe green beans with that. So that's our dinner menu. And then my brother, we're celebrating his birthday on the 16th, which I already told you. And even though it's on the 15th. And then that's it. Those are my things. And Callie, my cat Callie, just came to say hello. Right, Callie? Hello. You gonna say anything? No? You're gonna be quiet? Okay. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please do come back again and see some things either on this channel or my Dahlia Designs channel, which is strictly for jewelry. Yeah, I hope to see you in both places. Take care. Have a wonderful week. Bye for now.